Bro, should I do a walk around snap?
Huh?
Should I do a walk around snap?
Yeah, let me see the camera.
Oh! Hey, what's up? We go Aviano Balenciaga's on the feed. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you.
I might just buy them.
This nigga. That's my mobile device ringing.
Laxative. That's what Chris needs.
Why?
Cause he fighting demons out the house.
He said the bird is killing him.
Come on. That boy just chill.
Alright, let's go. We've been in for like, I don't know how long.
If you recorded that, huh? Alright. There you go. Yeah, nigga came a long way. Made 100K, blew it up, made it all back in one day. Paying for the words I say, I know it ain't straight. But I made the best out of there. Jay, hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Yeah, hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Young nigga used to want 100K, not what I got now, I'm scared to say. Where I'm come from, I ain't never say. Got chopped for the storm, we'll let it rain. Little bitch used to wear tight clothes and she been with the kid, got better taste. Bro, you used to take me to the studio, now you used to tell me if I want I could grab the range. Only thing different, our schedule change. You heard I said, but don't tell what I say. Tell you I'm a real big player, man. Like make bitch walk from here to LA. I'm getting dizzy, I never on the plane. Went from MIA to the A, back MIA. See all the same hoes, they ready to go every day. Feeling like Snoop Dogg and Nate. We play these hoes the same, if you want we could trade. They all gon' fuck for the cake. Shout out my little brother King, rich nigga in training. And little nigga fuck on gang. I know you wanna ball real hard, you pull a hamstring, you know you gon' be out the game. I still got the plug on car, even though I'm supposed to be keeping my hands clean. Young nigga came a long way, made 100K, blew it all, make it all back in one day. Paying for the words I say, know it sounds strange, but I make the best out of it every day. Hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. You hear me? Old hundreds and 50s on me tonight. Look like red beans and rice. These hoes don't give a fuck if a nigga charge you for the money, you can fuck tonight. You ready to slide it, you ready to go through the life when he just like that hammer don't cry. My brother play football, he can't even see us on high. All he know is that he looks just alike. Sorry, little baby, my mind in the sky. I seen you say hi, but I couldn't reply. I know you came out just to see me tonight, but my main bitch is here, that's why I had to dodge. I hope that you brought you a light jacket with your bikini too wavy, I might just drown. She said she's so happy to see me, she really feel lucky. I told her go play her a lottery. Young nigga came a long way, made 100K, blew it all, make it all back one day. Playing for the words I say, know it's on strength, but I made the best out of the day. Hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Bro, hope it ain't something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Yeah, you came a long way, man, okay. Blew it all, make it back one day. Cause it ain't safe. Bro, okay. Hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe. Yeah, hope you got something you'll say, cause it ain't safe.
Brody, your cousin?
Nah, that's my uncle.
That's your uncle?
Yeah.
He's done that saying he's your god, man.
Nah.
Looking at bitch. What's up? Everyone over here?
Let him rock.
Fake ass.
I'm still learning. This nigga get chased by a dog. Nigga get chased by these live dogs. Look, he's scared as hell. Look, he's scared. They finna eat Scoop alive. Saran kid getting attacked by chihuahuas. It must be